ह्या वर्सा 26 फेब्रुवारीच्यान कार्निवालाक सुरवात जातली। म्हापशा फेब्रुवारीचे 26 ते मार्चाचे 1 तारखे मेरेन 4 दीस कार्निवालाचो बोवाळ पळोवपाक मेळटलो।
म्हापशा 26 फेब्रुवारी ते 1 मार्च मेरेन बोडगेश्वर देवळा कडेन कार्निवालाच्यो वेगवेगळे सांस्कृतिक कार्यावळी जातल्यो। जातून सांबा डान्स, लोकनाच, फॅन्सी ड्रेस कॉम्पिटिशन आदी वेगवेगळ्यो कार्यावळी जातल्यो। जाल्यार 1 तारखेक फ्लोट परेड आसतली। लोकांनी मोठे संख्येन वांटो घेवपाचो उलो मायकल कारास्कोन मारला। ऐकात।
This year, the chief officer, the accounts officer, and the accountants are the committee of the MAPSA Carnival due to the code of conduct. In view of that, we as citizens of MAPSA are assisting them to organize the Carnival festival in MAPSA under their supervision. We have decided to have a 4 days cultural festival which we normally have near Bodhgeshwar temple, where we'll be having a 4 days program. In that, the details of the program will be given to you all so that you could publish it later on. But I would just like to tell you in briefly what the program would be. Like we'll have some bands playing music every day, a DJ music every day, then some cultural dances by some folk dances, samba dances, can queens, international dancers and all. These are arranged for over the period of 4 days. We'll be starting from 5 p.m. to 10 p.m. At 10 p.m. the sound and all will be off. We would like to invite all the people of MAPSA to participate in the fancy dress competition and the dance competition, which is going to be a competition where we will be giving prizes. So we would like all the people to participate in those 2 competitions. Besides this, we are having a float parade on the 1st. The float parade will be flagged off from the old age Asilo home, which will go round to the market side and accumulate at the Bodhgeshwar temple where the festival venue is. We have decided this year to invite Mr. Finton D'Souza, who was a former Superintendent of Police North Goa, to flag off the parade. After that, we'll carry on with our program as decided.
We are organizing MAPSA Carnival from 26th to 1st this year. There will be a program for 4 days, and the final parade will be on the 1st. Now, this is sponsored by GTDC. And we will also be collecting other sponsors, donation from sponsors for organizing this event.
गोवा 365 खातीर म्हापशेच्यान संदीप कामोलकार।